Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, air suspension, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, transmission, 6-speed automatic, fog lamps. Come see the car for yourself.